Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to remove a medical aid rejection message. In this video, we will start on a debtor screen. From the debtor screen, click on a search for debtor search field and enter the name or details of the debtor. The debtor list will populate accordingly. Click on a desired debtor from the debtor list. The debtor sidebar will open. Click on the account details button within the debtor sidebar. The account details screen will open. For more information regarding the account details screen, please refer to the account details overview user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Invoices Subtab located on the action bar. Next, double-click on a desired invoice. The Invoice Action tab will expand. Now, click on the Rejection Message button. The Edit Rejection Message screen will open. From here, the rejection message will display. To remove a single rejection message from the invoice, simply click on the red trash can button next to the desired rejection message. To remove all of the pre-set up rejection messages at once, click on the Remove All button. Click on the Cancel button to return to the previous screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the changes made and return to the previous screen. The rejection message has now been successfully removed.